In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule jobs in Snowflake. Scheduling jobs in Snowflake can significantly enhance the automation of data processes and workflows, allowing you to execute tasks at specified intervals without manual intervention. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a scheduled task in Snowflake, empowering you to streamline your data operations effortlessly. To begin, you'll create a task that runs on a fixed schedule. Snowflake provides a convenient command called create task that allows you to set up this functionality. Let's dive into how you can do this effectively. Picture yourself needing a task that should execute every 15 minutes to perform some specific operations on your data. With Snowflake, you can easily accomplish this by using the create task command. Here's an example to illustrate. You can write the command as follows. Create task my task. Here, my task serves as the name of your task. Feel free to choose any name that suits your project or organization's naming conventions. Next, we specify the warehouse parameter with warehouse my warehouse. The warehouse parameter is crucial because it tells Snowflake which compute resources should be utilized when the task runs. You should replace my warehouse with the actual name of the Snowflake warehouse you intend to use. Selecting an appropriate warehouse is vital, as different warehouses may have different sizes and associated costs, so pick the one that aligns with your performance needs. Then, you define the schedule for your task using the schedule parameter, which in this case is set to 15-minute. The schedule parameter allows you to determine how frequently your task should run. It uses a cron-like syntax, which means you can define various time intervals with precision. In our example, the schedule is set to execute every 15 minutes. This is handy when you want your data processes to run regularly and frequently, like refreshing a dataset or checking for updates. Lastly, we have the AS clause followed by the operation you want the task to perform. In our example, it is set to select current timestamp. Essentially, this operation runs every 15 minutes using the specified warehouse, and in this simple example, it retrieves the current timestamp. Of course, in a real-world scenario, you would replace this with the specific query or function you need your task to execute. With these components put together, Snowflake enables you to automate your data tasks seamlessly. By understanding and utilizing the create task command effectively, you can optimize your workflows, reduce manual involvement, and ensure your data processes remain consistent and reliable. Scheduling jobs in Snowflake will undoubtedly enhance your data management strategies, offering efficiency and precision. And there you have it. A straightforward way to schedule jobs in Snowflake. By applying these steps, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your data workflows. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide insightful and valuable.